Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make a fantabulously nutritious recipe, avocado corn salad. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Add a beautiful nutritious avocado into a clean mixing bowl. Avocados are loaded with fiber and highly nutritious. Further, go ahead and add some tomatoes, onions and corn. Add about a teaspoon of lime juice, more or less depending upon your taste. Finely chopped or grated garlic, a dash of pepper powder and salt. Add some coriander leaves for that extra flavor. Add some oregano as well. You can totally skip it if you don't have it around. Some olive oil and you're good to go. Anyways, the ingredients and proportions are left up to your choice. Mix this nutritious richness well and your avocado corn salad is ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe and you'll try it as well. If you've tried this recipe or if you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to comment down below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.